Peace and respect. It's your friend Adrian. Guys, what I'm going to do today, I want to show you how to make a sale page, but I'm going to be editing a lot so I don't waste your time, but I'm going to show you how to make a sale page that I think everybody needs leads and more sales, right? If you're on the internet marketing business, you probably need that, right? To sustain, you know, the not work at a job. So I'm gonna show you how to make a sale page, and it's gonna be, I ain't brainstorming this. I'm just gonna talk from my dome, guys. So let's go. First thing you want to do is pick a template. I'm gonna pick this template right here. So just click on edit, and of course, happy holidays, guys. I know Thanksgiving tomorrow. Me personally, I just love the day off. But I wish y'all a happy holiday. Okay, then you want to name this his title of what you finna do. So I'm just gonna say test campaign. Yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna name it test sale page. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell y'all from start from finish how I would do this. I wrote some notes down because it's not all from Dome, but this is how I would make this sale page. Okay, first thing I would do is pick my background. Let's see. First, we're going to do this first. I'm going to change the shadow of this real quick so I can see, make sure, that I can see the letters like that. All right. And then I close that. And then I will pick a background. And this is a sale page, basically, guys. I'm going to pick a background. And I think I will pick a solid color for the sale page. There's a solid color right here. Just click on that. And you can pick any background you want right there. Solid color. But for this video purpose only, I'm going to choose white. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is create sale page. So let's erase some things real quick because I want to start from like nothing really. So we're gonna delete everything we see right here, guys. Okay, now we see that we deleted everything from this page I'm about to build for you guys. So let's continue building this page. Now, first thing I would do is I'll click on edit component, right? And I would just build everything I need to build this sale page first. And then I'll do some add copy to the sale page. So let's build some things real quick. First thing I will build to this page is the video, right? Second thing I will build to this page is another video. Okay. And then I also will build a text right here. Not text, sorry. I'll click here button. Okay. Then I will build a text under that button right there. Let me make sure it's because I got it. Let me change this shade real quick so I can see the whatever I did. So you just want to lighten up a little bit. So let's go back down. Okay. And then I will add some more text, guys. Right here. 1, 2. And then I will add another button below all the text right here. Then I will add another text right here. Now I'm just showing y'all the format how I would do this, a sale page. And then I will add another video right here. And this video is basically the testimonial video. And that's what the text right here, to show testimonial videos. All right, guys, you seen the first part of how I make the sale page. I'm going to make another video to show you how I complete the sale page. So if you want to watch the second part, this part 1 of creating just the templates, what you need to make your sale page that you can see. And then you see that, I can put the videos. Hold on, I'm not done yet. I'm not done with this template. So I'm going to complete this template, and then I'm going to show you what I do in the next video on how I put everything together. All right, so I'm not done yet. Video 3, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more text right there, and some more text right here, and then let's see, one more thing I'm gonna add. I got one more thing to really add, but let me see. I'm gonna probably show y'all that, and then click here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add one more text that's in my notes that I should add. So where is it? Okay, that's that text right here. Okay, one more text I'm gonna add, and that text will be right here. All right. So the next video, I will be adding the text for you guys, and dressing the buttons up and the page, looking page and stuff like that. So I'll be that you can see that I created. Close this real quick. Well, let me save my work before I lose it. Save real quick. I got on a test campaign real quick. All right. I ain't dressed yet, but I put all the not ad copy, but all the videos and the text I need to do the ad copy with. That you can see, it's going to be a headline. I give you a little hint what it's going to say. The secret how to get more sales and leads for your business. Video below, and there'll be a video right here, and also it would be a video right here. And then what you need? Okay, then after the video, it'll be a click here button right here, but I address it and it'll say something like get started. And then I will put ad copy on these texts right here, but you gotta watch the other video to see that. And another video, this video, ad copy right here would be everything you need to grow a profitable business today. And this ad copy would be testimonials. And it's a testimonial video right here, guys. So I'm gonna build this wholesale page from scratch. And then testimonial, not testimonial, but this text will be 14 days free trial. This text right here will be no obligation, no credit card required, and then get started right here, button right here. So this is the format I got it so far, but everything changes sometimes. So I think this is gonna be a pretty sale page because the format basically is gonna be purple and this is gonna be white and the letters gonna be purple. So purple and white format sale page that I think I'll create. And it's gonna be powerful, guys. So this is the first part, guys. So wait till I get done with it. You gotta stay tuned for the second part. If you didn't subscribe to my video channel, make sure you subscribe below and ring that bell because part 2 gonna come soon. All right, guys. Once again, it's your friend Adrian. Hey, it's out.